Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. So we just came back from our Disneyland Paris trip and we got some merch over here. So I'm going to do a little haul with you so you can see what we bought. So the first thing I'm going to show you is this very big shopper, they call it, I think. And this one, do I know? I have all the receipts here so I can see. And this very big one was €4. And I think I'm going to put it on the ground so I have a little bit more room over here. So the first thing I am going to show you is this really cool jacket. And this was for the 30th anniversary. And it's such a cool one. And this is not mine, it's Julian's. And it is in a large. But I really love the details, even here on the sleeves. Can you see it? So here are some details. And here are the little D92. And also on this sleeve is also some very cool detail. So this one had a 40% sale. So originally it was €70 and now we only had to pay €42. Okay, so the next thing is also some clothing, and this is our very first Spirit jersey. And this is the front, and it's a Star Wars Spirit jersey, and the color is so cool. And also on the sleeves are some leaves. And this one, there's the card. So this one originally was €65, but we had a 70% off. 70%. So I'm not really good at doing math, so I'm going to get a calculator and put the price here that we paid for it. But I think this is really a steal. Okay, so the next thing is this very cute little lounge fly bag. And this is from the Miss Marvel series, and this is not for us, but this is for a friend of Julian's, because I like the Miss Marvel series, but I don't love it. So every time I would look at it, I would think of the series, and I was like, so it's not for me. But originally this was €80, and also on this one was a 70% off. So again, not good at math. Here is the price. I can show you a little bit better. It's really a cool looking little bag. So cute. Okay, so the next thing in the bag is another bag. This is the medium big shopper, and this one was, how much was it? €3. And you also had, so we have the large that's on the ground, you have a medium, and it was even like a smaller one, but I really thought it was so cute to do my groceries here. So we also got this one. Now the next thing in the bag is this little soap dispenser. So this is the 30th anniversary one, and this is the dispenser that will give you a Mickey shaped like a little foam on your hand. So I really wanted this, and I not got one, but I got two, because I also bought one for my mom. She was puppy sitting the dogs, so I wanted to get her something, and I think she would like this very much. And also this was on sale, because normally it was like €15, and now there was like a big discount, and it was, how much was it? €4.50 a piece, so a third of the price. And I think these are like so cute, so finally I have one at my home. So the next thing we got are these posters, and I really love these. Now I saw them before when other people bought them in their vlogs, and I loved it so much because it's a little piece of magic in your own home. And here on the back, how much are there? There are 12, set of 12, and it's with all the rides on them. So I thought these were so cute, and even a castle is on there. And these are going to get a really lovely place here in the home. And so for this set we paid €35, not on sale, but I just really wanted to have them. Okay, so and the next thing I bought and traded are some of the pins. And this really was so much fun. And I am going to show you the ones that I got. So the first one I got was a Cheshire cat, all in black, and I think this one is like really cool. The next one I found, I think it was a Filmation, and it was my goal to find them, so I'm really happy that I found one and I have one in my collection now. The next one I found was this Mickey, and I thought this was really cute. I don't know if I want to keep this or retrade it, but I think this is such a fun one. And the last one is this little Nick Fury, and I thought he was just so cute. Okay, so the next thing that I got was this little coin, and this is a special 30th anniversary one. So from a trip from 2018 and 2019 we also got a little coin that I will show you. And so every time we go I will get a coin to remember when we went, and I think this is just really a special one because of the 30th anniversary. So, and some things we had as a souvenir. So these are our passes, and they're the 30th on there, and I think these are just so fun. So we're going to keep these and display them somewhere. Okay, so we also didn't have to pay for this, but this was in the hotel, so of course we're going to take it. This is a little Hotel Cheyenne tissue box, and it has Woody and Jessie here on the side, and some Disneyland, yeah, just Disneyland Paris on here. So I thought this was very cool to take with us. And also the little shampoo and the conditioner bottles. So I really thought they get rid of the little ones and only had the big ones on the wall, but here they still have the little ones. So I think that is everything we got, and I am really happy with all of this stuff because it's a little bit of the magic you will get at home till the next trip. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope you liked this little haul, and hopefully I will see you next time. Okay, ooh, it's a lot of noise. So this is the 30th anniversary one, when other people bought them. So thank you so much